Hello and welcome back to the Clever Tricks channel. Do you believe that a fresh, green, crisp head of lettuce can stay fresh for a whole week or even longer with just a few very simple tricks? However, many people are actually storing lettuce in ways that cause it to deteriorate more quickly. After just 1 to 2 days, those vibrant green leaves can start to become soft, turn yellow, become waterlogged, and lose their natural crispness. But don't throw it away just yet. By simply changing a few small steps in the way you prepare and store it, you can help lettuce retain its green color, crisp texture, and freshness for much longer. In today's video, I will share 6 simple ways to store lettuce without the need for any complicated equipment. You can choose the method that suits you best, depending on how much lettuce you have and how long you want to store it. Method 1. Wrapping lettuce in plastic wrap. This method is especially suitable for whole heads of lettuce such as romaine or iceberg, especially when you want to keep the lettuce fresh and crisp for longer in the refrigerator. First, gently rinse the lettuce under cold running water to remove any dirt remaining on the leaves. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. Then, let the lettuce drain thoroughly. You can use a clean paper towel to gently pat away any remaining water, especially between the leaves and around the base. This is a very important step because if the lettuce still contains too much water and is wrapped tightly right away, the moisture will become trapped inside, creating conditions that can cause the leaves to become waterlogged, soft, and lose their natural crispness more quickly. Once the lettuce is completely dry, use plastic wrap to wrap around the base or the cut area. If you want to store the whole head, you can also lightly wrap the entire outside of the lettuce. Make sure to wrap it just enough without tightening it too much to avoid crushing the leaves or causing them to lose their natural crispness. After wrapping it, gently place the lettuce in the refrigerator. The plastic wrap creates a protective layer around the outside, helping to reduce moisture loss and limit the lettuce's direct exposure to the cold air inside the refrigerator. As a result, the lettuce can stay fresh, green, and crisp for longer compared with leaving it unwrapped. This is a very simple trick that does not require many tools and is especially suitable when you want to store whole heads of lettuce at home. Method 2. Storing lettuce in a glass jar. If you prefer a clean, neat, and easy-to-monitor storage method, a glass jar is definitely worth trying. First, separate the lettuce into individual leaves. And gently rinse them under clean water. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Then, let the lettuce drain thoroughly and gently pat each leaf with a paper towel, especially any areas where water remains around the base and between the leaves. This is a very important step because a glass jar has a tight-fitting lid. If the lettuce still contains too much water, moisture will accumulate inside and cause the leaves to become soft, waterlogged, or lose their crispness more quickly. Next, prepare a clean glass jar that is completely dry. Line the bottom of the jar with 1 or 2 layers of dry paper towels to absorb excess moisture that develops during storage. Gently place each lettuce leaf into the jar without packing them tightly to prevent the leaves from being crushed. If you have a large amount of lettuce, you can place 1 layer of lettuce, add a thin layer of paper towel, and then continue adding more lettuce on top. Finally, place another layer of dry paper towel on top and close the lid tightly. Then, place the jar in the vegetable drawer of the refrigerator. Every 2 to 3 days, you should open the jar and check it. If the paper towel has become damp, replace it with a fresh, dry layer of paper towel to maintain a better ventilated environment inside. With this method, lettuce can stay fresh and green for about 7 to 10 days, and even longer if the lettuce was fresh to begin with and was thoroughly dried before storage. I especially like this method because it is very neat and convenient. Every time you open the refrigerator, you can easily see how much lettuce is left. Take exactly what you need, and avoid disturbing the remaining leaves. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Method 3. Storing separated lettuce leaves. Have you ever separated individual lettuce leaves in advance to use later, only to find that after a few days they have wilted, become soft, and lost their crispness? If you have experienced this, try the following method. First, prepare a bowl of clean water. Add 1 teaspoon of salt and 1 teaspoon of baking soda, then stir well until the ingredients dissolve. Next, gently place the lettuce into the water and soak it for about 10 minutes to clean the lettuce before moving on to the next storage steps. Baking soda helps clean residue from the surface of the leaves, while salt helps remove impurities and small insects that may be attached to the lettuce. After soaking, rinse the lettuce thoroughly under clean running water to completely remove the salt, baking soda, and any loosened impurities. Then, gently shake off the excess water or let the leaves drain. Next, use paper towels or a clean towel to carefully dry each leaf, especially around the stem. This is the most important step. Even a small amount of water left on the leaves can cause the lettuce to become soft and spoil more quickly. Once the leaves are completely dry, prepare a clean plastic or glass container. Line the bottom of the container with a layer of dry paper towels. Then place a layer of lettuce leaves on top. Continue by adding another layer of paper towels, followed by another layer of lettuce. Repeat this process until the container is full. The paper towels will help absorb excess moisture, preventing the lettuce leaves from becoming waterlogged while helping them stay fresh. Close the lid, but do not seal it too tightly so that a small amount of air can circulate. Then, place the container in the vegetable drawer of the refrigerator. With this method, the lettuce leaves can stay crisp and green for about 7 to 10 days, making it very convenient if you want to prepare salads or meals for the entire week. Method 4. Storing lettuce, like a bouquet. Have you ever thought about storing lettuce the same way you arrange flowers in a vase? It may sound a little unusual, but this method is actually very effective. Prepare a glass jar or cut the top off a plastic bottle. Choose a container that is suitable for the amount of lettuce you want to store. Pour about 3 to 5 centimeters of water into the bottom of the container. Place the lettuce stem in the water while keeping the leaves intact. If you are storing a whole head of lettuce, place the entire head in the refrigerator. With this method, lettuce can stay fresh and crisp for about 1 to 2 weeks, depending on how fresh it was to begin with. If the weather is cool, you can also place the lettuce in a cool, well-ventilated area for a short period of time. Whenever you need to use it, simply take out the amount of lettuce you need. The rest can continue to stay fresh and crisp as before. Pretty convenient, right? Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Method 5. Storing cut lettuce. If you usually cut lettuce in advance for later use, give this method a try. First, use a very sharp knife to cut the lettuce. A clean cut helps minimize bruising and keeps the leaves crisp for longer. Once cut, lettuce loses moisture more quickly, so proper storage is essential to prevent it from wilting. After cutting, prepare a clean plastic container and line the bottom with a layer of dry paper towels. Place the lettuce in the container, arranging the leaves gently so they are not crushed, then cover them with another layer of paper towels to absorb excess moisture. Here's a helpful tip. Don't seal the container completely. Leave the lid slightly ajar to allow a small amount of air to circulate, which helps prevent moisture from building up inside. If you prefer to divide it into smaller portions, you can also store the lettuce in separate zip-top bags. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Zip each bag almost all the way closed, leaving a small opening so air can still circulate. Finally, place the container or zip-top bags in the refrigerator's vegetable drawer. Using this method, cut lettuce can stay fresh and crisp for 5 to 7 days, making it convenient for preparing salads or cooking whenever you need it. Method 6. Wash and revive the lettuce. Remove any bruised, wilted, or rotten leaves. This method doesn't require waiting until the lettuce is wilted. You can apply it right after buying to keep it fresh for an extra 2 to 3 days. After washing, let the lettuce drain completely. Prepare a basin and fill it halfway with water, then add ice to make it very cold. If you have cold water, you can use it directly. Submerge all the lettuce leaves in the cold water. If they float, use some ice to press them down. The colder the water, the faster the lettuce will wake up. Place the basin in the refrigerator and let the ice melt. If the lettuce is only slightly wilted, soak it for about 5 to 10 minutes. If it is heavily wilted, you can soak it overnight or even 2 to 3 days to help the leaves recover and stay fresh longer. Note, do not use small ice cubes, as they melt too quickly and won't keep the water cold enough. After soaking, remove the lettuce and let it drain. You'll notice the leaves become fresh, green, and crisp, just like freshly picked. The lettuce can stay crisp for about 5 days without becoming soggy, remaining cool and firm. If you want to store it longer, simply change the water every 5 days to prevent it from becoming cloudy or developing odors. So today, we have explored 6 simple ways to store and restore lettuce. From keeping it fresh and crisp in the refrigerator, to methods that can help lettuce regain its freshness when it becomes wilted. You can choose the method that best suits the amount of lettuce you have and how long you want to store it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to the Clever Tricks channel so you don't miss the next simple food storage tips and useful kitchen tricks. And how do you usually store lettuce? Share your tips in the comments so everyone can learn from them. Thank you for watching and see you again in the next video.